Hi, and welcome to Always Dolls. Today we are showing how to make an IKEA cart perfect for your American Girl dolls. Just like the real thing, our DIY IKEA cart has working wheels so you can roll it around the dollhouse. Please leave a like if you enjoy this video, subscribe and share to help our channel grow. So, let's get making! We took a scrapbooking index card to use as a template for the tray base. On recycled paperboard, trace 6 rectangles. You need 2 rectangles per tray. Cut them out. You will need to cut 3 long strips for the tray walls. Ours will be 2.5 centimeters high with a 1 centimeter tab. Take a ruler or other straight edge tool to pre-bend along the tab line. Next, cut small triangular slits up to the tab line. To make the tray, fit your wall piece around one of the rectangles. Use your thumbs to help coax the paper to bend snugly around the curved corners. Apply glue to the tabs. We chose to use Elmer's school glue. Then fit the tray wall into place. Clothes pegs help to keep the overlapping sides in place while it dries. On the underside, generously apply glue. Now position your second rectangle. Flip over and press down firmly to ensure a good seal. Make 2 more trays. On to building the cart. For the poles, we used 2 sets of wooden chopsticks. They were the perfect length at 18 centimeters tall. Working from the bottom up, evenly affix the trays to the chopstick. Find the center point of the tray's short side. Make tick marks 1/2 centimeter apart. This is where the poles will go. Hold in place with some low-tack tape, then repeat on the other side. The top tray should sit flush with the top of the chopstick. For brackets, cut a 5 by 1 centimeter strip of poster board and generously cover in liquid glue. Take a skinny stick and press the paper down between the chopsticks. Hold it there while you mold the paper around and slightly under the outside of the chopstick. Fill the gap with more liquid glue for a strong connection. Now that the trays are all done, let's work on the rest of the cart. To mimic the metal trim at the bottom of the cart, we use the lid from a plastic takeaway container. Cut the lid so that it is slightly longer and wider than the tray. We just need the thick rim with a 1 centimeter perimeter of plastic left inside. Next, mark where the chopsticks will rest on the plastic lid and apply drops of E6000. Pop the cart on top and keep it still while the glue dries. Time to paint. We used dust grey spray paint, but this is where you can customize your cart to be any or many colors you like. Okay, let's switch to making wheels that really roll and swivel. Take a small punch and cut 10 circles per wheel. If you don't have a punch, carefully trace around a small lid and take extra care when cutting them out so they are as similar as possible. Find the center of the circle and use a push pin to make a hole in the middle. Stack and glue 10 together. Paint the wheels black. Create a wheel cap template like the one on screen. Trace onto paperboard and cut out 4. Bend on the dotted lines for a flat square top. Push holes into the curved flaps using your push pin. Now take a length of florist wire, a paper clip could also work, and feed it through the wheel flap, thread on the wheel and out the other flap. Bend the wires upward. Check the wheel still spins easily. Use hot glue to secure the wire in place. We used a stationary punch to cut multiple smaller circles. Glue and stack them to be 1 centimeter tall. Affix this peg to the center of the wheel cap. Roll a 1 centimeter wide strip of computer paper into a cylinder that fits snugly around the peg. With a strong glue, we chose hot glue, attach your cylinders to the underside corners of the cart. Insert the wheels and now your cart will roll forward and back and swivel to move side to side. Paint the wheel cap silver.
Wow, this cart is perfect for the kitchen.
That's my study cart.
Now we have to share?
Now you have your very own doll-size IKEA cart. Both Mary Ellen and Kai have found it useful in the dollhouse. Perhaps I should make some more.